Hello everyone, this is Israt Jahan, front-end developer and GHL expert, SJ Innovation. So today we are going to learn how to create snapshot and how to load it. So basically, when we need to clone a whole sub account, each and everything, we can create a snapshot and load it. And also, if we want to uh, make make a specific thing clone, like if we want to specifically clone a particular workflow to another sub account, we can also create a snapshot and load them into your account. So it's pretty easy and simple. So we are going to learn how this work. So first of all, you need to go to the agency view, and of course you have to have the agency access. So I'm going to agency view, then I'm going to the settings, then snapshot, create a new snapshot and name them anything, and select an account, though the account you want to take a snapshot, right? So you can choose your account, and I'm not going to save this because it will take a bit time. So that's why I have already created a snapshot. So that's how you can create a snapshot. And now I am going to teach you how to load this snapshot, right? So I'm going to load it here. So I have a snapshot created. I'm just copying the link and go to the sub account in which you want to load the snapshot, right? So I'm going to Avengers. There I want to just load it and go to the actions and load snapshot. And you can see here you have all of the snapshot ready. So you can choose anything. Okay, I'm choosing this one and proceed. Okay, this is the important thing. If you want to load any specific thing like calendar or field or any value or any forms, you can just do this customization from here. Suppose I want to go okay, I want to take this already I want to just only take this workflows, so I will skip all of them. You can see, you can skip all of them, and also you can choose whichever you want, right? You can see many of things here. So after that you have to go to proceed, and it will take a bit time. And yeah, it's completed. Now if you can go to your account, you can see everything will be there what you need. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Want to know more about us, you can go to ghldeveloper.com. You can see what we have done, how our work is. And thank you.